here. As you can see, we are having a demand zone here, and we are also having another demand zone here. We are also having a demand zone here. What did you see? Price came back, tapped into it, and pushed back. Then we take this high. So it showed that yes, demand are in control. But after all, after this shift, what did you see? Well, so after this shift, what did you see? We end up coming down and taking the demand zone. So as we take this demand zone, supply are in control right now. So for you to ask yourself, we take a shift here. Where is the supply that really take this demand zone? So this is this supply that take the demand zone. This complete range here is the supply zone. So let's just mark the supply zone. This is the supply zone that take the demand zone.